Hello. I'm finally shooting something, yeah? Okay. Now, I like cooking food. So we're first gonna make Dal Khichdi. Why am I looking like this, bruv? Alright, okay. It's already way late and I have nothing to eat. Technically I have, but I want to cook something. I want to try and cook something which will last me like 2 or 3 days, yeah? Because I can't cook every day. Come on, bruv. It's just too hard. I'm just too lazy with cooking all these things. So here we are making Dal Khichdi for both. I don't know what I'm saying, man. Oh my god. I hope the camera doesn't fall. The angle is this way. But I feel it will work. Because I am standing like a kung fu player. I feel like Conor McGregor, yeah. I hope this is enough. Do I have something? I have something here as well. Oh. I guess that's it. Yeah. Let's cook something. I guess you forgot two main ingredients. Yeah. Bhaji also. I guess thoda broccoli and all that. Earlier you can see as well. Yeah. प्याज और तो मैंने कुछ नहीं लाया. कुकर धो लिया. Let's get to cutting. Yeah. Let's go and do some cutting. Yeah. This is more than enough. I'm not sure. I'm not using this. You know what? Let's use this. Alrighty, we are back after like a quick break, and it was getting a little bit hot in here. I was worried it doesn't burn. I was worried if it'll burn my hand or something, but luckily it didn't, because now we got a big spoon. I know how difficult it was to find this one. You know what? Let's put all these things in this. Who cares? Add some ginger garlic paste. Now we are adding haldi. It's all swaad anusaar. I don't know the quantity, honestly. Just if you have ever made food, I guess you'll get the judgment of it. I think haldi should be a lot more, since it's dal khichdi and it should come in yellow. We already don't have much of dal. The salt, I'm not taking any risk. I'm just I think that's enough. Yeah. A little more. This is what I want. That's enough. It looks like it's done. थोड़ा सा लगना चाहिए that it's getting cooked. Yeah, it's done. Now let's add soaked dal and rice. We have this. We're also putting in some water. For that reason, I'm not cleaning this out. Yeah. Too good. Come on now. Alright. This is probably the end of the video. I started by making Dal Khichdi. It turned out to be veg biryani, which is an upgrade. So now you know that I can cook well. Yeah? Come on now. My first video. I don't know how it is, how I just made it. I have like Adobe Premium version for free for 6 months as a student. So I'm taking full advantage of that. Yeah? Did you all enjoy it? I don't know. Did I enjoy? Probably because it has turned out to be veg biryani. Yeah. If I was too cringe, please don't let me know. I probably know when I'm saying this that it is. But that's alright. We have 6 months to improve. Bye. See you in the next. Yeah. See you in the next vlog. See you in the next. What is it called, bruv? Vlogs, video, some shitty content, cringe. See you in the next video.